Ang katotohanan ay mananatiling totoo kahit na kaunti lang ang nakakaalam. In the same manner, truth will remain as truth even if everyone will reject it. Truth will remain as truth even if many will deny it. Nakita natin iyan sa mga nakaraang mga mahal na araw kung paano ni-reject si Jesus ng crowd. And yet we see in Mama Mary an example of fidelity to the truth. Kahit na siya ay nasa paanan ng krus, she remained faithful to the truth that Jesus Christ is Lord. Let us ask the Holy Spirit to be our advocate, that we may not fall away and lose heart sa pag-search at pananatili sa katotohanan. Maging tapat nawa tayo sa katotohanan, kahit na masakit at mahirap. G ka ba?